Bitquery just introduced a new trade stream in Trading API, giving you real-time DEX trades across multiple blockchains in one unified API. Stream trades from Ethereum, Solana, BSC, Base, Arbitrum, Polygon, and more, all in a single subscription. Plus, you can aggregate this data to calculate trader PnL. Let's see how it works. First, let's stream all trades across supported blockchains. This streams trades from Ethereum, Solana, BSC, Base, Arbitrum, Polygon, all in real time. Each trade includes buy or sell side, trader wallet address, trade amounts in native tokens and US dollars, current price and USD price, market cap FDV and total supply, which blockchain and DEX protocol, block timestamp, one API endpoint streaming trades across every major chain. No need to manage multiple data sources or piece together different APIs. Now let's use this data to calculate a trader's PnL on a specific token. We're filtering trades from the last 30 minutes for a specific token and trader, then aggregating total amount bought in US dollars, total amount sold in US dollars, PnL using the calculate function, number of buys and sells. Perfect for tracking wallet performance or monitoring smart money. Want to see the most profitable traders on a specific liquidity pool? This ranks the top 10 traders by PnL on that specific pool. Works on any chain. Just use the pool address. Or find the top traders across an entire blockchain. Top 10 traders on Solana in the last 30 minutes. Change the network to track any supported chain. New trade stream. Multi-chain DEX trades in real time with powerful aggregation for PnL calculations. Try it free in the Bitquery IDE. Link in description. Drop a like and subscribe.